Hello and welcome to the latest MX5 Parts Great Mk1 Giveaway video, the series in which we take this rather tasty Mk1 MX5 and with your help, turn it into something even tastier. Now, if you're new to this whole thing, we're working our way through the car, adding upgrades voted on by you, sourced from MX5 Parts. And at the end of it all, you stand a chance of winning it in a free prize draw. So far, we've done the wheels, upgraded the body stiffening and added some new lights. That was going to be it, but we've had such a fantastic response, we're going with another upgrade and going big. Yes, for this final round, we're offering you the choice of one of 3 coilover suspension kits. A bit of context here before we drill down into the options. As you'll probably know, Mazda laid down fantastic foundations with the Mk1 MX5 with double wishbone suspension all round and plenty of adjustment to let owners fine-tune the setup according to what they want. It's one of the reasons the cars handle so well out of the box, but there's always room for improvement. The standard suspension perhaps a little bit on the soft side and riding a tad high for keen drivers. Quality combined springs and dampers, or coilovers in the jargon, can make the world of difference here, offering scope to stiffen the springs, adjust the damping and lower the ride height for a sportier feel. Although this particular car is already running a little bit lower than standard, the opportunity to pick something newer and fancier from the MX5 parts shop was just too good to pass up. So which kit are we going to fit? Well, as ever, it's up to you. Let me talk you through the options. First up is the Vmaxx Xtreme Adjustable Height and Damping Coilover Kit, which is a great value package, adding a 20-step clicker adjustment to the standard Vmaxx coilover damper, so you can fine-tune the damping to your needs. You can also adjust how much you want to lower the car, while the helper spring setup with the twin coils maintains the tyre contact patch even when you're running it really low. Next up is the hugely popular Gaz Gold Professional Coilover Kit. Gaz has been doing suspension for the MX5 for ages now and is the go-to choice for everyone from track day fans to racers. You can adjust both the ride height and the damping force according to the kind of driving you want to do, while there are options of fast road, track day or full race spring rates as well. Last but definitely not least is the Monotube coilover kit from our friends at Motorsport. Engineered in Germany to the exacting standards required for all upgrade parts there, this kit combines quality Eibach springs with a Monotube damper strut that delivers consistent performance and response. The design lets you adjust the ride height without compromising the suspension travel, so you can have improved handling and looks without sacrificing all important ride comfort. You can also fine-tune the damping as required in 30 steps. You've seen the options, now it's up to you to choose which one we go for. Details of how you can do that are in the video description below, and we'll announce the results in the next video and then go about fitting the kit to the car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to put your name down to be in with a chance of winning the car and get your votes in for which suspension kit we fit. See you next time.